Hello beautiful people, you're welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is the Bell Makeovers. Before we get into this video of how to cover acne scars and hyperpigmentation, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Thank you. So I'm going to start by quickly doing my eyebrows and eyeshadow before going into the skin proper. I started by arranging my brow hairs with some lash glue so that it can stay in place all day before going ahead to draw it. So if you would like to see a detailed eyebrow tutorial, I'll leave the link in the video here and also in the description box.
Let the rhythm move us, yeah baby, take it too far. You're at the center of my attention, yeah you got me so lost. I love the way that you move and how the lights keep up the groove. We're like in a movie, baby, but it's ending too soon. Now, let's party together. Tonight is forever. Let's party.
Now that I'm done with the brows, I'm applying some concealer on my eyelid to serve as base for my eyeshadow. I'm just going to be doing a very simple smoky eyeshadow look. So using a dense eyeshadow brush, I applied the black eyeshadow all over my eyelid. Then I went in with a fluffier blending brush and used that to apply a dark brown shade to transition the black eyeshadow properly into my crease. Then I went into this orange and reddish color to further blend it out closer to my brow bone. Then afterwards, I went in with a clean blending brush to blend all the colors together and make sure there are no harsh lines anywhere. So that's basically it for the eyes. Now we'll go into the skin work proper. So I had this terrible acne some months ago and it left me with all these acne scars. I'm already working on my skin though, and I know it's going to clear up very soon. So the first step is to cleanse the skin properly. I used micellar cleansing water to deep cleanse my skin and make sure that there is no oil or dirt anywhere. The next step is toning. I used this toner from Mehron, which I applied all over my face with a cotton ball. I like this toner because it helps to tighten my large pores and also it makes my makeup last a lot longer despite my very oily face and sweaty skin. Next, I moisturized my face with a water-based moisturizer. I prefer water-based moisturizers because they will not add more oil to my already oily face. Then I applied primer on the areas where I oil out the most using the Becca Pore Perfecting Primer. All I'll be using today to cover these scars and as my foundation is the Juvia's Place and Magic foundation. I'm using the shade Malawi, and instead of using a corrector or a concealer to cover these scars, what I'm going to be doing is the same foundation. I just took a little. I'm applying it on the scars, on the areas where I have spots and any hyperpigmentation. So I'm going to apply it on the spots like that, and then I will leave it for some minutes to get tacky. That is all I did. So after it gets tacky, it's not going to be able to move around. So I just went in with the foundation all over it, and that gave me full coverage, like 100% full coverage. Because I've already covered the areas where I have the spots, I don't need to use too much foundation again. So I used very little foundation with my stippling brush, with my flat foundation brush. I just went in with a dabbing motion all over my face, and that gave me full coverage without having to use too much foundation. After doing this, I then went in with my beauty sponge, my damp beauty sponge, all over my face again to make sure that every excess foundation was soaked up. And this is my preferred method for covering up any spots or pigmentation on the face. For some people they use corrector, but sometimes if you don't apply or blend your corrector well, because they are usually colored, it can mix with your foundation and start giving you a funny shade. I'd like to avoid that. Some people use darker concealers and sometimes it mixes with your foundation and gives you a darker shade all over your face, and I didn't want that. So this just works for me. I use the same shade, the foundation that I intend to use to spot conceal, and I also use it all over my face and it works perfectly. If you have a better method, please share in the comment section. I would like to hear so I can try it out. Now I'm highlighting and contouring to restore dimension to my face. If you've enjoyed this video so far or you've learned something, now is a good time to click that like button. Please like this video and also leave a comment. Thank you.
Let the rhythm move us, yeah baby, take it too far. You're at the center of my attention, yeah you got me so lost. I love the way that you move and how the lights keep up the groove. We're like in a movie, baby, but it's ending too soon. Now, let's party together. Like tonight is forever. Now, let's party together. Like tonight is forever. Just you and I. Yet the burn makes you feel so alive. And we live in the moment, so you living tonight. We're here now, let's party together. Like tonight is forever. We're here now, let's party together. Like tonight is forever. Let the rhythm move us, yeah baby, take it too far. You're at the center of my attention, yeah you got me so lost. I love the way that you move and how the lights keep up the groove. We're like in a movie, baby, but it's ending too soon. Now, let's party together. Like tonight is forever. Now, let's party together. Like tonight is forever. Just you and I. Yet the burn makes you feel so alive. And we live in the moment, so you living tonight. We're here now, let's party together. Like tonight is forever. We're here now, let's party together. Like tonight is forever.
Yes, we are done. I'm just using the setting spray to tie the whole look together to see how I went from this to this. I hope you enjoyed the transformation. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know what you would like to see again, and don't forget to share this video to your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.